Nothing Phone 2, as you know, is getting officially launched on July 11th. The date is coming closer and Nothing is doing everything it can to stay in the news. It is now announced that the house music group Swedish House Mafia has composed an exclusive Glyph sound pack for the upcoming device. You can get the taste of it by playing in the video. The Phone 2 will launch with the new Glyph Composer on board, which allows you to personalize and remix Swedish House Mafia's custom sounds. You can simply tap the pads to trigger different light and sound combination to make your own GIF light. If you have a Nothing Phone 1, this will be headed to the phone maybe by December. A release timeline is still not clear, but Nothing did say in the past that Nothing OS 2.0, the software that will power the Nothing Phone 2, will launch in the Nothing Phone 1 by the end of August. So you might get the Glyph Composer at the same time. Nothing Phone 2 will have a non-curved screen, which is not surprising as it is going to stay as iPhone inspired as its predecessor. An iPhone doesn't have curved screen. The sides will be flat and there seems to be only two cameras in the rear. The selfie camera appears to be central mounted.